Renting out your property on Airbnb involves several key steps to ensure a successful and enjoyable experience for both hosts and guests. Here's a concise guide. Create an Airbnb account. Sign up as a host on Airbnb by creating an account on their platform. Set up your listing. Create a detailed and attractive listing for your property. Include high-quality photos, a compelling description, and accurate information about amenities. Set house rules. Establish clear house rules covering check-in or check-out times, pet policies, smoking rules, and any other important guidelines. Pricing strategy. Set a competitive and reasonable pricing strategy. Consider factors like location, amenities, and local market trends. Calendar management. Keep your Airbnb calendar updated with accurate availability. Block dates when your property is unavailable and promptly respond to reservation requests. Communicate effectively. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages from potential guests. Clear communication helps build trust and ensures a positive experience. Enhance safety measures. Implement safety measures such as installing smoke detectors and providing emergency information. Comply with local safety regulations. Prepare your property. Ensure your property is clean, well-maintained, and equipped with essentials. Consider adding personal touches to enhance the guest experience. Check-in and check-out process. Establish a smooth check-in or check-out process. Provide clear instructions and, if possible, be available for any questions or assistance during the guest stay. Guest reviews. Encourage guests to leave reviews after their stay. Positive reviews enhance your property's reputation and attract more bookings.